Hello, kitty booms and kitty bears, shankus and shankus. How you guys doing today? Welcome to lesson 7.3, indenting. I think indentation is important, right? That is why we even have a separate video for it. We talked about it. I told you guys about it in the last lesson. How it's important that everything that gets executed, right? Everything. So if Python tests the if statement and it says that the if statement is true, it's going to print everything that has been indented, okay? And then the one that is not indented is not part of the if statement. And also I want to mention that you can have multiple things after the if statement, okay? You can have multiple things that will be printed. Will only be printed if the condition is true and it has been indented. So it will be that will be the only thing that will be the only thing that will be printed. So we can add more prints here, print. Yeah, it's a print. It's a print. So you can do so many things in here, right? As long as it is indented, it's only going to get printed when the condition is true. So which means it's only going to get printed when today equals day. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying, because this is really important and it tricks people, It puts, a lot of people will be like, Tawheed, what is my problem? I can't see. I think the problem is you have to understand that anything, if you want to have an if statement, anything that you want to make sure it's part of the if statement has to be indented. So if it's not part of the if statement, then don't worry about it. Nobody cares. Don't indent it. So I hope I'm making myself clear. And usually, too, also in Python, the indentation, there's a convention that people use. People use like 4 spaces to indent their things that they want to be part of the if statement. It's not only the if statement that has the indentation. We're going to see a whole bunch of different statements that also have indentation. But I want to tell you that it's really important that you understand that that if you want something to be part of that if statement, you have to indent it. Something that I also want to mention is that I can put so many things once I have indented it, but all those things grouped together is what we call a block of code. Okay, so they'll say the if statement, the print, yeah, Saturday, yeah, it's a print. It's all part of the if block. Okay, so that's what we'll say. So I can say, I can create another variable called Tawheed, and then the string will be he is nice, he's cool, right? So print yeah Saturday, print yeah it's a print, Tawheed, the variable Tawheed. All these things are what we call block of code, and this block is only available if the condition is true. So if today equals day, then you print here Saturday, you print here, it's a print, and then you have Tawheed, the variable Tawheed, okay? And all these three lines you see over here, this is what we call the block of code. I hope you guys know that, I've emphasized on the importance of indenting very well, you guys shouldn't play with it. It's really important, and if you guys want your programs to be working, I'm telling you, just indent and your life will be so much easier. I want you guys to read page 65. Until then, kitty booms, enjoy whatever you are doing and have fun.